Why I say products over talent. I'm getting my welding booth together to teach welding sessions, independent welding sessions, but I always stress on products over talent. And I say that because you have to get the skills first. You have to learn how to weld. You have to gain the talent, and some of us got a natural talent on certain things. Like once you touch it, you pick it up like it was nothing. It was meant for you to do it. You know what I mean? But then just that skill alone is fine. But then you're going to always work for your income. It'll always be earned income. But the goal is to make passive income, is to use your skills to make products, to make your own products that you can actually make money off of in your sleep, products you can sell at a storefront, products you can trade, products you can be able to gain your independence from by using your skills. So that's why I say all the time, products over talent, products over talent, but you have to have the talent first. And so I teach welding sessions, independent welding sessions, teach you how to get your talent up, your skills up, so that way you can learn not only just to have a good trade and a good career, because that's fine. A lot of us come from different situations. Well, that's what we need. We need that good job. We need that good career. And then it's going to come to a time where that job is going to burn out. You're going to be like, man, is it something else for my life? Is there something else I can do? Is it something else? Yes, it is. Products over talent. You can start making your own products. You can start providing your own services, being your own boss. You can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. And I'm only sharing this with you because I got introduced to welding in prison. My mother introduced me to welding on visitation when I was 16 years old, told me about it, saying, hey, what are you going to do when you get out? I didn't know at the time. I was incarcerated. I said, I don't know. I know I need to get my GED. And she was like, well, I've been watching welders on TV. Man, they make a lot of money. I've been seeing how the underwater welders make money. They've been running this ad on TV about Tulsa Welding School. Man, they make a lot of money over there. You should check that out. You can get a skill. So she went the old school way before Google was famous. She went to the library and made some copies and got me some copies of some information and sent me like a little small booklet, probably like 10 pages front and back of welding positions and what they make and some of the gear they got to have. And she's planted that seed in me. And just so happened I was able, while I was incarcerated, to obtain a welding trade. I went to combination of welding where I learned TIG, MIG, and stick welding. And I was able to get out of prison instead of having just a regular job, which I did get a job, but I had a career. I was able to go up and up. And honestly, I started off at $8 an hour welding, $8 an hour. And when I stopped welding, I was making $30 an hour as a foreman. And I was welding in the field, doing miscellaneous welding, miscellaneous installations, TIG, MIG, and stick combo welding, what I went to school for. But I started doing things on my own. But as far as a clock, I went from $8 to $30 an hour off of my skills. So if I did that off of my skills and I decided, hey, I can do this on my own. I want to sell my own products. I want to sell my own services. And that's what I do now. And so I try to share this with people and I try to stress products over talent because you want to use your talent. Talent is important. Don't get me wrong. We're not overshadowing talent. I'm just saying that you don't want to use your earned income. You're going to get weak one day. You're not going to be as strong as you was in your 20s when you get in your 40s and 50s, in your 60s and 70s. You want to be able to have a product that's taking care of you other than Social Security that might not be around to take care of you. You know what I'm saying? You want to be able to set yourself up, but you got to have that skill set first. You got to have the skills. And that's why I preach and I teach products over talent. Hold on.